Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily equip the walk pack in Dress to Impress game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Usually if we want to equip the walk pack, we need to go to this changing room, but now you can easily access the walk pack menu. You just need to go to the post menu right here, and then you're going to click on this arrow and you will see the walk pack menu, and you can immediately equip the walk pack from here. For example, I'm going to equip the ice skating walk. This one. This is for the idol and this is for the walk. Okay, I'm going to equip both of them. Okay, like this. If you want to unequip the walk pack, just go to this menu. Go back to this menu and click on the walk pack that you want to unequip. Yeah, just like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can easily access the walk pack in Dress to Impress game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!